So we have an abandoned train line out here in Davenport, and this is a possible CP rail, which has I actually don't know about this line like at all. It could have been CP. It just looks like it hasn't been used in the longest time. Thanks to Howdy from Galesburg. I actually just happened to find this. And Howdy from Galesburg actually came here and visited this. And when he visited this, there was literally no weeds here. It was rusty. Hey guys, well, again, here's the other part of an abandoned railroad line. This possible CP, which is pretty cool. Control box right over here, which looks very old. Oh, there's a bell up there. Look at this crossbuck. Look how old this is. Now, this is like a side. It went to the road and the sidewalk. There. It's a rusty rail. But what the heck? This is an old line. There. This goes to this neighborhood. It's like a neighborhood line. I'll give him a couple more pictures of this. Look how old this is. Abandoned Family Dollar. How old this one is.
Hey, look, kitty.
Is that another kitty?
No. Imagine being in this house where right next to your house is an abandoned train line. What the heck is a rail? Oh, there it is. Wow. It's another one.
Yeah, it goes right into the thing.
Boy.
Yeah.
Train line somewhere here. The original crossbuck we saw was that. Oh, there's the line. I actually can't see it well. I guess it was the former Family Dollar. Yeah. Happened to find an abandoned stable out here in Davenport.
They got Roduce, Dur, and Froey.
Roduce.
Froey.
Why is it full of boxes?
Using as a warehouse or something.
Oh.
And there's lights in there. And there's lights.
Yeah. That Y is just about to fall any day. And that T's gone. Hey. Save a lot. At least. What happened to this bridge? Never come to Davenport. It's dangerous.
The old one?
Maybe.
No, I don't think so.
Under the bridge. I'm seeing cool stuff I've been wanting to see for a while. Look at that art. Wow. It's impressive. I'm impressed by their art.
What's red?
And there's the baseball stadium I was at. So,
there's a bigger right.
yeah, this line's not abandoned because I literally just saw a train on this line. Like a minute ago. Literally 1 minute ago, there was a train on this. There was just a train on this line. Railroad lines under. Ew. Look at this cool Davenport bridge. See, look, there's a train literally over there. Look at this. The two lines meet. What's this building? Doesn't look. Oh, that's
An actual Save
Save-A-Lot supermarket.
more. Save more.
They're ripping off Save-A-Lot. Wait, that'll be funny if it's actually that's in a former. This is Save-A-Lot. This is Save More. They're ripping off Save-A-Lot. What if this was?
What I'm seeing is.
It is a former Save-A-Lot. It's a former. I can see something through. See the safe. There's the Save-A-Lot sign, and I see a lot on more. Oh my god.
Oh, cool.
Railroad track. Crash! It took me forever to find. The Home Depot. It looks creepy. What is this building? There's a light on, so it'll probably be easy to see, but it's just a drive by. The windows are just foggy right now.
He looks like a house, like a Hy-Vee.
There's a sign on it, but I can't read it. I can't see inside. Oh, there's a shopping cart there. A former Schnucks. This is kind of rare. Especially for me. I don't... Yes. I can't even see in there. It is Schnucks. It said this store is now... Oh, that's part. This store is now closed. Schnucks! Schnucks! What was this? What? Long John Silver's. Hobby Lobby. There it is. Hobby Lobby.
They moved.
Boarded Okay, Hy-Vee Fast and Fresh. Okay, Hy-Vee gas station. What? What's that? Stop honking your horn. Sam's.
Just imagine just
Where's
waiting there
Sam's?
this whole time.
Sam's Club. Where's Sam's Club? Oh, it's back there. No, Sam's Club's back there. There's a building. God. Someone cut in front of me and then. Oh, the
that makes sense.
Brandon
I get it.
Oh, Brandon Walmart. Brandon Walmart. Yeah, my first. Gander. Brandon Pure One Imports back here. Hungry Hobo isn't a good name.
Have one in Gilda.
There's the Dick Sporting Goods I've filmed before.
Hungry Tracks or whatever.
How did that get here? Super Target.
Took it all the way across the street.
Oh, Super Target.
That Dick Sporting Goods I found the inside of. It's right. That's the store. That's
Yep.
the store. Ah. This is an Aldi's card. Well, this is an Aldi's right over there.
What chip do you get?
Dorito. This is awesome. I don't think you can see the label scar. I can though. It looks like it didn't have a star. I had a dash. I see the blue up there. Just happen to see blue up there.
Oh yeah, where the paint's peeling off. That's right.
I actually don't see any remnants. But it's cool. This looks like it's bought by some building. It looks like Jumpin' Joe's bought the rest of this building. Looks like the
Yeah,
ceiling.
they sold it. Sold it, made a gigantic Sam's Club next door.
I guess they live in there now.
I can't even see it. Oh, that's an old fire alarm. Wow.
That's an old style Walmart. They moved and made it a super Walmart.
It's awesome. It's about time I found one of these. Since when is Golden Corral Golden Core?
Corral.
Super Target. Oh look, it's Goldie. I can see original Target paint on these buildings.
Oh yeah.
Can you see that?
Yep.
There's original. Why? How? There's just original Target. Target's over. Wait a minute.